In today's video of TechTube, I'm going to show you how to download the Grammarly app. If you want to use Grammarly on your desktop, in this video let me show you the quick process of downloading it onto your Windows device. If this video sounds helpful to you and you also want to download it, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Search for Grammarly for Windows on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, you can see the first link to download the Grammarly app. So just click on this link. And firstly, you'll need to sign up to Grammarly to be able to download it. If you already have an account, click on the login and log into your account. If you don't, click on Get Grammarly. And either you can use your email, Google account, Facebook account, or Apple ID to create your account. Now, once you log into your account or create your account of Grammarly, you'll land up in this section. You cannot see the exact section of downloading Grammarly from here, so you need to cross this off. And again, search for the same thing, download Grammarly for Windows or Grammarly for Windows, and again click on this link. Click on Download Grammarly, and this time the Grammarly app will start to download on your device, as you can see on the bottom left. After the download is complete, open up the file and set up Grammarly on your desktop. So that is the way that you can download Grammarly for your Windows device. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.